In this video, we're diving into how to track your budget and resources in Process.st, a tool that's perfect for streamlining your workflows while staying on top of your finances and assets. Whether you're a team lead, project manager, or a small business owner, this guide will show you how to track your budget and resources effectively. Stick around until the end to discover some advanced tips that will make Process.st even more powerful for you. Process.st is a dynamic platform that can help you set up clear processes for tracking your budget and resources. With its simple yet powerful features, you can ensure that all of your project's financials and resources are accounted for without any hassle. To get started, first, create a new process or open an existing one where you want to track your budget and resources. Once inside your process, you'll want to utilize fields and checklists. These are key to tracking the status of each task and its budget resource allocation. Process.st's checklist items allow you to include specific budget fields for each step, which means you can track the expenses, resources, and tasks individually. You can create custom fields for costs, timesheets, or even assign resource quantities to different team members or departments. Next, you can set up dynamic approvals within your workflows. Let's say you're tracking the resources allocated to a project. You can set an approval step where you or a manager can sign off once a task has met its budget, resource requirements. This ensures you stay on top of the overall budget and gives you a clear way to prevent overruns. Another great feature for tracking budgets is the use of subtasks. These are incredibly helpful if you're working with multiple vendors, teams, or resources. You can break down each task further and allocate specific budgets to each subtask. The visibility you get on each subtask, combined with the parent task's overall budget, will give you a bird's eye view of the entire project's resource and financial situation. You can also set up notifications and reminders to stay on top of the budget in real time. If a particular task or resource is nearing its limit, you'll receive automatic updates. This is key in preventing delays and ensuring that you're not blindsided by sudden budget issues. The real power of Process.st lies in its integrations. You can connect it to tools like Google Sheets, Zapier, and others to automate data flow. If you're already using accounting software or project management tools for budgeting, integrating them with Process.st ensures that your resources are automatically updated as soon as they change, without manual entry. Now, here's a pro tip. When you're tracking a project, always make sure to review your budgets at regular intervals. This allows you to make course corrections before it's too late. With Process.st, you can set up recurring reviews that force you to check your financials periodically. For those of you who like to work in a team, Process.st allows for multi-user collaboration, where everyone involved can see real-time updates on the budget and resources. You can assign tasks to different team members, track their progress, and adjust resource allocation as necessary. Collaboration is made easier with shared visibility on budgets, so everyone stays aligned and on the same page. Now, as a special bonus for watching this video, if you're new to Process.st, you can actually use this software for free with the exclusive trial offer linked below. You'll get access to all of these budgeting features and more. So, if you're looking for a way to manage your projects with precision and without worrying about slipping budgets, click the link below to get started with your free trial today. That's it for this guide on how to track budget and resources in Process.st. Don't forget, the link below gives you access to an extended free trial. Take advantage of it and let Process.st work its magic for your project management needs.